One of the questions I get all the time is, which CRM should I be using for my carpet cleaning business? And so today I'm going to give you a simple, straightforward answer. It doesn't matter. Okay. You can use Housecall Pro. You can use Markate. You can use Jobber. You can use ServiceMonster. You can use Service Titan. You can use whatever CRM you want. The one that I recommend is Housecall Pro at BookCleaningJobs, where we help carpet cleaners and other cleaning business owners grow their cleaning business. We always recommend Housecall Pro. Our best performing clients are on Housecall Pro. When I ran a carpet cleaning franchise, we were on Housecall Pro. When I sold my business, being on Housecall Pro was one of the biggest reasons that the seller wanted to buy the business from me, because it was simple for him to just take the business over, transfer all the data from my Housecall Pro account to his Housecall Pro account and get going, right? So Housecall Pro is what I recommend. And it does a lot of the stuff that you'd expect. You can do scheduling, dispatching, you can do estimates and invoices, you can take payments, but it does a lot of other extra stuff as well. You can get reviews. And if you know how powerful reviews are, if you understand how social proof can help grow your business and help you get found online, then you'll understand that reviews are a big thing. That's built into the software as well. It's included. You also get online booking. If you don't offer online booking for your service business, you're missing out. You want people to be able to book you while you're out in the field, while you're on the phone with other customers, while you're taking the weekend off at night, while they're searching for somebody to come and do some work for them the next day. But while you're in bed asleep, you want to give them the option to book online, right? They also give you the option to do follow-up campaigns. You can send follow-up emails and postcards to your customers. You can send text messages to your customers. There's a lot of stuff you can do inside of Housecall Pro. You can do some of this stuff with the other softwares that I mentioned earlier, Markate, Jobber, and these other softwares. You really can. But to keep things simple, we just tend to recommend Housecall Pro because we know that it works. Our clients are on Housecall Pro and we know that it works for them. I've run it in my own cleaning business and I've had a lot of success with it. And so we just keep recommending Housecall Pro here at BookCleaningJobs. And to keep things simple for cleaners, we tend to just recommend Housecall Pro. And if you're not already using Housecall Pro, let me save you some time. Go to the link in the description. I'll give you 50% off your first 2 months with Housecall Pro. Just go through that link, tell them that Ruben sent you from BookCleaningJobs, and you'll get 50% off your first couple months with Housecall Pro. Try the software out in your business for a couple months. See if you like it. Test out the text messages, test out the online booking, test out the reviews. See if you get some more reviews. Personally, I think that between online booking and reviews, the software pays for itself. And then there's a ton of features on top of that. And Housecall is always adding more features to the software. So you can literally count on the fact that Housecall Pro is going to grow with your business. They're constantly evolving. They're making sure that their software is competitive in the industry and that it does all the things it needs to in order to work with modern ad platforms and with modern service businesses. So Housecall Pro is what I believe in. It's what I promote all the time. And I really, really think that you can grow your cleaning business or whatever type of business you own with Housecall Pro. So go check it out. Link in the description if you want to save 50% off the first couple months. If you have any questions about Housecall Pro, leave them in the comments. I have several other videos about HCP on this channel. So if you want to go watch those and see ways that you can leverage Housecall Pro to make even more money with your business, go check those out. Hit like if this video was helpful. Hit subscribe if you want to grow your cleaning business. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and I'll talk with you later.